Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you suffer from acidity, gas, stomach burn, or bloating? Don't worry. I'll share with you a 100% natural herbal remedy that works fast. Try it once, you'll feel instant relief. And please, don't forget to comment your feedback. Also, let me know in the comments, from which country are you watching this video? For this herbal remedy, you only need 3 simple ingredients. 50 grams ajwain, carom seeds, excellent for gas and acidity. 50 grams anardana, dried pomegranate seeds, cools the stomach and reduces burning. 50 grams dried mint leaves, calms the stomach and relieves bloating. Take a grinder and add 50 grams of carom seeds, ajwain, 50 grams of dried pomegranate seeds, anardana, and 50 grams of dried mint leaves. Grind them well into a fine powder. Store this powder in an airtight glass jar. It will remain fresh and effective for up to 3 months. How to use. After every meal, take half a teaspoon of this powder with a sip of lukewarm water. If you don't like the taste of ajwain, just add a small piece of jaggery or a pinch of jaggery powder while taking it. This balances the flavour and adds extra digestive benefits. For severe acidity, bloating or gas, use it 2 to 3 times daily for 2 weeks. For regular digestion support, take it 3 to 4 times a week. Here's why this remedy is so powerful. Ajwain, carom seeds, improves digestion, relieves gas, and reduces acidity. Anardana, dried pomegranate seeds, naturally cools the stomach and prevents acid reflux. Podina, dried mint leaves, soothe stomach cramps, remove bloating, and freshen digestion. Jaggery adds sweetness when taken, improves taste, and supports healthy digestion. Together, they give quick relief from stomach burn, bloating, and heaviness after meals. This remedy is generally safe, but pregnant women or people with chronic health issues should consult a doctor first. If your acidity is chronic or comes with other symptoms like vomiting or weight loss, seek medical advice. Otherwise, this is one of the best herbal remedies for daily stomach problems. So friends, this was a simple but powerful herbal remedy for acidity, gas, bloating, and stomach burn. Try it once, and you'll feel the difference instantly. Tell me in the comments, which problem do you face the most? Acidity, bloating, or gas? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends so they can also benefit from this natural remedy.